Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie down below so you can grab it if you like. All of these savings challenges we are working with today will be found in our shop. Like I said, I will link it. We're going to do some savings challenge cash stuffing. $5, $10, $15, $20, $25 is what we're stuffing today into our savings challenges. I do need to get change. So let's speed through this. Alright, so it looks like that's the best I can do. I do have a $5 bill and then a couple of $2 bills in there. We are simply going to roll the dice and grab two bills and get through each of our savings challenges. So let's do that. 6, 1, 2. Alright, 5, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. All right. Let's go ahead and count up what we're stuffing. Oh, this one only needed 3. So we are going back to roll a few more times, I guess. So we're adding $3 here. 1, 2, 3. So this savings challenge is now completed. All right, and we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. Let's see here. I'm going to add in another savings challenge. Let's just grab how about a coffee and puppies? So we'll work on that one. And then, what did I just do? Okay, I thought we rolled a 2. Did we not roll a 2? Okay, I don't know what I just did. Or maybe there wasn't a 2. Okay. Don't freak out. There wasn't a 2. Alright, number 2 didn't get anything, but it has $10. Number 3 got $2. Alright, now we have $5, $10, $15, $16, $17. Number 4 got $2. Ooh, almost finished. All right. So now we have $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21. And I think I'm going to go ahead and grab the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 here. Alright, and then number 5 got quite a few bills. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in total we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12. All right, and into our fairy savings challenge, we got 2, 3, 4, 5. In total, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. All right, so we have a few more dollars here, and let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So 3 lucky envelopes will get some more cash. Let's see which one. I believe number 2 was the one that didn't get anything, and 1 we just added in there. So 1 is getting $2. 4 getting $2. 3. Ooh, number 3 is completed. Okay. Let's do this really quickly. Back again. Let's see. So we have $2 going into our coffee and puppies. 1 and 2. Make sure that's dry. All right. And we got $2 going into our, it's a coffee micro savings challenge. So we're adding $2. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 from this micro savings challenge. Yay! Let's see here. I think I want to, I already have, let's add that anime savings challenge. I have a few other savings challenges that I need to laminate. I don't want to do them until I laminate them. So for now, this is what I'm adding. Then we have $2 going into the Aquarius. Ooh, it only needs $1 more. 1, 2. Too bad I didn't have another dollar. I would add it in there. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, $23. Hopefully the next time we come together, that one will be completed. All right, and that was everything for today. Yes, all right. So we've gone ahead and stuffed our savings challenges from SilynthiaC Budget Creations. Like I said, I will link that down below. We also finished 2 savings challenges. This micro savings challenge comes with 9 savings challenges, which is awesome. So you can do a roll and save like I did. I'm breaking it up. As I see fit, I'm going to do those. And then this Christmas savings challenge is a freebie in with the Christmas bingo. I think I'm going to clean this one off, and next time I think I'm going to do a roll and save for that one. So yes, 10. Okay. So anyway, I was going to count it up, but it's not necessary. We've already done that. So that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you for your continuous support and just interacting with me. It's been so fun to get to know other people, even though it is online. It's a strange world we live in, right? You don't even have to leave your home and you make friends. So anyway, thank you so much for all of your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.